Let me ask you a question. Did you know that any work that you do has 5 different levels? No? Then keep watching this video. Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the online life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals. In this video, I want to make you aware about the 5 levels of a worker and make you think at what level you are at present and at what level you want to be in the future. We all do some work to make a living and to take care of our families. So in a way, we are all workers. And workers have different levels. So let me explain the different levels of a worker. So level 1, we can call this worker a karmi. This worker is a worker who works with his body, his brawn, not his brain. So these workers mostly work with their hands. They could break stones, or they could pull carts, or they could lift loads. So this person works with his body, physical. So this level is known as karmi. Level 2. This level worker is known as karamchari. And the motivation for this level worker is only and only money. If this person doesn't get money, he is not interested in doing anything. And the problem with this level is, if you are after money, you will always have shortage of money. You'll always have to keep running after money. Level 3. This is known as Karamveer, or we can call it as the dedicated worker. And the best example I can think of is the mother. Now the mother doesn't get any salary, no bonus, no incentive, but the mother is on duty 24/7. And they keep doing the work, with their whole heart, and they give everything to the family. So that's an example of a dedicated worker. You can also take a military man. They are also, dedicated workers. And in many offices, you can even get a peon who could be a very dedicated worker. Level 4. This level is known as Karam Sreshta, or this worker can be called as the excellent worker. This worker is always constantly working at getting better and better at his craft or his skill or his knowledge. And the good part about being an excellent worker is, if you reach this level, you don't have to worry about money. The money comes after you. It comes after you. Level 5 is known as the Karam Yogi. And this level worker works with a purpose. And if you reach this level, then you don't have to worry about money. It comes pouring in. So those were the 5 levels of workers. You decide for yourself, where are you right now and where you would like to be in the future. And mind you, these levels have nothing to do with the position you hold wherever you work. For example, you could find a peon to be a level 4 worker, and you could find the vice president of a company to be at level 2. Possible. Let me leave you with a thought. No matter what you do for a living, or no matter what work you do, promise yourself that you will at least come to the level 4, and that is the level of an excellent worker. And it is at this level that you can be happy, you can be satisfied, and you can be financially independent as well. So I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So thanks for watching this video. See you again in my next video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.